Hello student, in this video we talk about how to mute audio in your Filmora, right? So open your Filmora and import your media files. So I import this media, right? And then it drag and drop, and from here I increase the volume, right? So from here I want to mute this audio. So first I play it, drag and drop it. So when I click on this icon, right, and so the audio is muted, right? So uncheck it and it will be unmute. And the second method is select the audio, right, and then right click, and from here you see the mute button or Control Shift M and click on it and your audio will be muted, right? So if you want to unmute this audio, then select it and right click, and from here click on mute, so it will be unmuted. And the third method is select it and then click on the tool and then click on the audio, and from here click on the mute button and the audio will be muted. So again select it and then right click and click on unmute, so your audio will be unmuted. So it is the short method to mute or unmute your video in Filmora 12.